Into the fray. We're actually getting out here a lot earlier than I thought we would.
This is weird. It's Halloween. Happy Halloween, by the way.
Yeah, you too, bud. Hopefully we shoot a big, scary ass, big old.
Checking in from the Meat Locker 2.0. Grant and I built this blind this summer, and we are reaping the rewards much earlier than we thought. It's October 31st. Happy Halloween, and we have got about 4 inches of snow and about a dozen longbeards, 30 yards in closing. I'm going to make this interview quick. Hunting on our favorite farm, it was struck with EHD. We do not have a single deer over 3.5 on camera yet, but we're holding out. We have a camera card that we need to check after we just knocked this corn down. And EHD does not affect turkeys, and I have a turkey tag. So we're gonna get one of these really quick. Nice. Yeah, this Tom right here. If he comes out, I'm gonna shoot him. This one in the opening.
There's Biggie.
Mm-hmm. He's got good hooks on him.
Our rutcation is underway. Grant and I had strategically really picked these set of days so we could hunt a long period of time, get back to work, get caught up, and then hunt again. First day was a bust and kind of deflated us to a certain extent just because we had high hopes and we really didn't see much activity. The next day we were hunting in a spot where we had a lot of line of sight, and we wanted to be able to see what was really going on, if the rut was in full swing or if it was just picking up. And as the cold front moved in for that series of days, the wind switched and it started blowing right in our face, which is great. However, the gusts were 30, 40 miles an hour.
It is November 6th. We have it off until the end of the day on the 13th. We'll be hunting every single day, and probably all of every single day, barring that we don't kill or we need to make a stand change or that the weather just completely goes south. It's the first time we're back in a stand we call the hedge set. The corn is out, it is November, and we're using Boris the buck decoy. We're gonna give it about 5 minutes, let the sun creep up just a little bit more, and then we're gonna get pretty aggressive with calling. We have the ability to see today, so sight calling will be a thing, and hopefully within the next stretch of 7 to 8 days we can put 1 or 2 down.
How's that?
Not as good as I remember. But better than nothing. All right, well, we are making some moves. If you can't tell from the mic, it's super windy. The wind has switched out of the north, which we knew it would, but where we're at, it's just like a wind tunnel howling through here. I don't think deer are gonna wanna be on this flat with this high winds. We've seen a couple deer in the bottoms out of the wind, so we're actually gonna jump down, grab Boris, and head to a new stand that we call the Trench. It's in a deep bottom, heavy trail. We're making some moves. We hung this stand a couple days ago for the rut here, but we have a north-northwest wind, but I don't know. Stand might be short-lived because it's coming up off this hill and it's just shooting straight down the draw, which is terrible.
I'm kind of talking to Grant how we probably should have thought about this beforehand, not knowing if we're doing more harm than good. You know, really, if we were getting too aggressive at the beginning of our rutcation, and just so happens to be the bow's hung up, we're all set up, the camera arms on, and we're ready. And we had not been set up for 10 minutes, and I look, and all I see is just a big frame coming right down the trail that we were going to hunt. I told Grant, I said, there's a good deer here. As soon as he came through the big sweeping beams and the short fours, we knew it was a deer we called EK10. And an opportunity at a mature deer, 24 yards, I'm not letting him go.
I'm gonna shoot him in this second hole. Good?
Killed him. Oh, dude. He's gonna crash right in front of me.
That happened fast. It's a great deer.
Yeah, dude. You just smoked his ass. Dude.
I can't believe that happened.
That was incredible. Oh. Can you believe that?
No, I can't.
How about them apples?
Jesus. Starting to hit me now a little bit. God dang.
That was fast.
That buck's been in here. We got him all over. But
Smoker shot too, by the way.
yeah, thanks. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Wow. Thanks, buddy. It's gonna be a good stretch of days, my friend. Matty B. Buck down. Yeah. It's no nonsense, buddy. If this deer lives from this shot, then he is invincible. I heart shot him. He was squirting blood. I mean, if we weren't in this bottom, we just saw him go down. Yeah, so we literally switched stands a half an hour ago.
Who is it?
Mr. Hines, there's 4 phone. Well, you know what that means if you get an afternoon call in November. We're gonna go see if we can recover that deer. Think he's dead?
He's absolutely dead.
I think so too. So, man, it is a good feeling.
Are you ready?
Let's go see what it looks like. Here's a point of impact. I mean, come on now, brother. Kill zone.
Kill zone?
I mean, look at it on this. He ain't gonna be able to handle that. Man. Hey, here's my arrow. Here's my arrow. That thing is the most blood-soaked arrow I think I've ever had.
What's going on?
Yeah. Dude.
That's just crazy.
Like, look at that.
Keep going. There he is.
He's right there. Yeah, beautiful deer. Well, we just found this joker, and I had to hammer it right in the heart. The blood was just insane. And he's just one of those deer that showed up. We've been running cameras on this farm since early summer, and 3 days ago this buck showed up. He probably was only going to stick around for 3 or 4 more days and then be gone. Beautiful deer, happy to tag him, and it's one heck of a way to start our rutcation.
Okay, here we go, boys. Let's go get a buck.
If you like listening to hunting stories as much as watching them, then check out our podcast. The Last Breath Huntcast is available on iTunes, Spotify, and all other major podcast platforms.